Hey everybody, welcome to the video. About a month ago, Doreen, Matt, and I, we closed on our flip, and it was a quick little project that we took on. It was the first flip that Matt, Doreen, and I did together. It was a very successful project, didn't take very long, didn't cost us a lot of money, and we had a good profit that came from it. So I promised y'all in the previous videos that I'd dive into the numbers, and today we're gonna do that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's dive in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So if you haven't seen the previous videos we did on this flip, we have a good before video. I think there's a little bit during, and then we have one of the after product when Doreen had staged the property when we were getting ready to sell it. Make sure you click the links right here. That'll take you to those videos. But today I'm gonna cover the numbers. So let me tell you a little story about how we got this deal. So we're actually sitting right here in this office right after our wholesale meeting, and Doreen got a text or a phone call from someone that knows her off of Facebook and said, hey, I've got this property. I think it was another wholesaler. Said, hey, I've got this property. Do y'all want to buy it? So it's right here in Round Rock, which is great. So we drove right down the road, went and checked it out. And this property, it was nasty. There were like 20 cats that lived here, and they kept coming back to the house. And so therefore the house had cat remnants everywhere, and it smelled really bad. It was really actually kind of hard to walk through there. But we liked the property. We saw it had potential. It didn't need a lot of work. It just needed a little bit of paint, some new light fixtures, maybe some landscaping on the outside, and some new flooring because the carpet was ruined, and just being cleaned up. So we decided to pull the trigger on it. Purchase price was $265,000, and we estimated it needed about $20,000 or so in rehab, and that was a conservative estimate. So all in, we were going to be in about $285,000. This is right when the market was really hot. It still is hot, but back a couple months ago, houses were getting hundreds of offers within 24 hours. So it was a great time to try and test the market out, see if we get a higher price. It's in a neighborhood that Matt and I actually grew up right across the street from, right across the road tracks, and so we knew it very well. And this was I wouldn't have paid this price a year ago for the house, but we were willing to test it out and try it, and it worked. So $285,000 with purchase and rehab. We had to put about $67,000 down or so. Closed on the property. Took about 2.5 weeks to get all of the work done and get it ready to show and list on the market. So when we did, we listed it for $350,000. in hopes that we'd get some higher offers, maybe get into a little bit of a bidding war. Round Rock was really hot, still is really hot, but there wasn't too much for sale at that point in time. So got it on the market. Doreen did a great job staging it. I believe first couple of days we got an offer for about like $375, $365, and it was within a couple of days, so we wanted to try and press it, see if we could get a little bit more. We didn't. And then we finally got an offer for $355, and we accepted this offer. We didn't get an appraisal waiver signed on this first contract that we got, and I was kind of stressing out because due to the fact the market is so hot and people are paying higher and higher offers than the asking price, I was kind of nervous that this property wouldn't appraise. Got under contract for $355. They did their inspections. Of course, they came back with a list of things that were, they wanted repaired, this or that. We agreed to come down to $350, but I wanted them to sign the appraisal waiver, which they did. Then so we closed on the property at $350, after paying closing costs and a realtor commission to the buyer's agent and paying back our loan. We had about $114,000 paid back to us. So taking away our down payment, we walked away with about $47,500 in profit, and about 6 weeks or so from closing on it when we bought it, the rehab, to getting it sold. So it was a really great property. $47,500 in 6 weeks is not a bad deal. So we're really excited about it, and looking forward to doing our next flip together. But those are what you can be doing, It's all about just finding value. Go out there, meet some connections, let people know you're buying houses. Key is having a good team. So Doreen, great stager, she's boss woman. She gets in there and she's telling all the contractors, I need this done, I need this done, making sure everything is done the right way and done on time. I was helping her out buying, materials and everything along the way. And then having a good hard money lender. She's a great listing agent, and just being able to put the team together and get this project done and getting it sold is key. And it's all possible. You can do it too. Reach out, let us know if you need help with anything at all. Comment below about a recent flip maybe you're doing right now, you've done in the past, or you're about to have upcoming, and hopefully we'll have more of these videos for you soon.